Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Painless Learning. Our today's topic is chapter 1 Nutrition in Plants, class 7th Science. Today we will do multiple choice questions, very short questions and short questions. So you all will be able to answer these questions if they come in exam. So let's start. Our first question is, organisms which prepare food from themselves using simple naturally available raw materials are referred to as. So basically we have to tell in this question that the organism which prepare food themselves, which prepare food by their own, by using raw materials. I told you this question and I told you this explanation in my previous video. So the answer is autotroph. Autotroph make their food themselves, and the example is plants. Now heterotroph. Heterotrophs are the animals, are the human beings like us which take prepared food from plants, from autotroph. Parasites and saprophytes are the types of heterotrophs. Next question is, in the absence of which of the following will photosynthesis not occur in leaves? So basically we have to tell which of the following is necessary, is important for occurrence of photosynthesis. So first option is guard cells. So guard cells are not much important. Next is chlorophyll. Yes, chlorophyll is very important as it captures sunlight. So answer is chlorophyll. Let's read the another options. Vacuole. Vacuole is not important in its space between cells. It is also not important. So the answer is B, chlorophyll. Our next question is, which of the following statements is or are correct? So we have to tell the correct statements. First statement is, all green plants can prepare their own food. So can prepare and green plants. So yes, they can prepare. We will put a tick mark at the last of the sentence so we will not get confused. So yes, they can prepare. Most animals are autotroph. So here is autotroph, not heterotroph. So no, this is not true. This is not correct. Carbon dioxide is not required for photosynthesis. Not. But carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis. So this is also wrong. Next is, oxygen is liberated during photosynthesis. Liberating means released. So oxygen is released during photosynthesis. Yes, oxygen is released during photosynthesis. So this is also correct. So we know that option number 1 and option number 4 is correct. Now we have to choose the correct answer from the options below. So you know first and 4, and it is the option number A. 1 and 4 are correct. Our next question is, pitcher plant traps insect because it. अब हमें pitcher plant, I told you pitcher plant is a type of insectivorous plant. I also gave the example of Venus flytrap. So why they trap insects? Because, so we have to tell the reason. So first option is a heterotroph, but no, pitcher plant makes it food. It has chlorophyll, it performs photosynthesis, so it is not a heterotroph. This option is wrong. Grows in soils which lack nitrogen. I told you that yes, pitcher plant are the plants, the insectivorous plants grows in soils which lack in nitrogen. So yes, this is correct. Let us read the other options. Does not have chlorophyll, but pitcher plant has chlorophyll. I told you just few seconds ago that it has chlorophyll and it also performs photosynthesis. Has a digestive system like human beings? No, it does not have digestive system like human beings. So the answer is B. Because it grows in soils which lack in nitrogen, which does not have nitrogen in much quantity. And insects are very in nitrogen. So they trap insects and digest them to fulfill the need of nitrogen. Next question is the term that is used for the mode of nutrition in yeast, mushroom and bread mold is. So we have to tell the mode of nutrition in yeast, mushroom and bread mold. I do not give the example of yeast and bread mold, but I gave the example of mushroom. So you can tell me which of the following is the mode of nutrition in these. So they all derive their nutrition from dead and decaying organic matter. So they are saprotroph and they perform saprophytic mode of nutrition. Our next question is when we observe the lower surface of a leaf through a magnifying lens, we see numerous small openings. Which of the following is the term given to such openings? So we have to tell the name of the openings which we see when we look at the leaf by magnifying glass. So stomata, lamina, midrib and vein. So the answer is stomata. Our next question is two organisms are good friends and live together. One provides shelter, water and nutrients while the other prepares and provide food. Such an association of organisms is termed as. Okay, I told you like this is a deal between two friends. Like one of them will give shelter, water and nutrients, but it can't prepare its food. So the other will give food and the other can't live. It does not have shelter, water and nutrients. So it will take the shelter, water and nutrients from the first one. So this is a deal between two organisms and this is known as symbiosis, symbiotic relationship. So the answer is the symbiosis. Our next question is which of the following raw material is available in the air for photosynthesis? So we basically have to tell which of the following is necessary for photosynthesis. So oxygen is not necessary for photosynthesis. Oxygen is released during photosynthesis. So this is wrong. Carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon dioxide is used. Nitrogen is not used in photosynthesis. Hydrogen is also not used in photosynthesis. So the answer is B, carbon dioxide. Now here comes very short answer questions. I told you we will do very short answer questions and short answer questions. So the first question is potato and ginger are both underground parts that store food. Where is the food prepared in these plants? So these are underground parts. So from where they get food and from where they prepare the food. Okay, so the answer is as it is answer question. So I will speak and you can write if you want to. So the food is prepared in the form of starch. In potato and ginger plants, food is stored in the underground parts, though it is prepared by leaves, as these are plants and they also have leaves, so the food is prepared in their leaves. Our next question is photosynthesis requires chlorophyll and a few other raw materials. Add the missing raw material to the list given below. So we have to tell the raw material. So they told chlorophyll, water, minerals, then they need sunlight. So we will write here sunlight, and at B we will write CO2 as they also need CO2. So we have completed very short answer questions. Then there comes short answer questions. A goat eats away all the leaves of a small plant, balsam. However, in a few days, new leaves could be seen sprouting in the plant again. How did the plant survive without leaves? Okay, so first let me tell you that the plant stores the food that they produced by photosynthesis. So when they produce the food by photosynthesis, they also store it in stem and roots. So when goat eat away all the leaves, the plant fulfilled its requirement by the food stored in the stem and roots. Next question is unscramble the following two form terms related to modes of nutrition. Okay, so we have to unscramble the following words. These are jumbled words and we have to unscramble them. So first is RASPAEIT. Okay, so let me give you a hint. This is a type of heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, so it is parasite. PARASITE. Next is ROPEHISTAITSAP. Okay, so it is also a type of heterotrophic nutrition and similar like parasite. It is saprophyte. SAPROPHYTE. Next is TOROPHAUT. Okay, this is autotroph. AUTOTROPH. Next is SYBIOMSYS. Okay, this is a relationship between two organisms. The question also came just few minutes ago. It is a relationship between two organisms. They deal with each other. It is symbiosis. BIOSIS. Okay, so we have unscrambled all the following words. Next is nitrogen is an essential nutrient for plant growth. But farmers who cultivate pulse crops like green gram, Bengal gram, black gram, etc. do not apply nitrogenous fertilizers during cultivation. Why? Okay, sorry. So, mama gadbad ho gayi. That the Rhizobium bacterium which convert the nitrogen into soluble form so the plants can use it are mainly found in leguminous plants. Leguminous plants mean pulse crops which grow legumes like gram. Okay, so they do not need to apply nitrogenous fertilizers because Rhizobium bacterium is present in their roots, which can convert the nitrogen into soluble form and plants can use it. Next question is, wheat dough if left in the open after a few days starts to emit a foul smell and becomes unfit for use. Give reason. Okay. Due to moisture present in air, fungus starts growing on the wheat dough, which emit a foul smell and become unfit for use. Next is, sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, water and minerals are raw material essential for photosynthesis. Do you know where they are available? Fill in the blanks with the appropriate raw material. First is available in the plant. So among this, chlorophyll is available in the plant. So I will put the number like sunlight 1, chlorophyll 2, carbon dioxide 3, water 4 and minerals 5. So I will write only this. So available in the plant, chlorophyll which is 2. Available in the soil, water and minerals 4 and 5. Available in the air, carbon dioxide, it is 3, right? And available during day sunlight is available, so it is 1. Next is, observe the diagram given as figure 1.1 and label the following terms given in the box. We have to label stomatal opening and guard cell. So this is the stomatal opening and these are the guard cells. Okay, so next is long answer question. So we will not do this because you can't write so much long answer questions, but I will give the answer in next video in written form. So it was our nutrition in plants, multiple choice questions, very short answer questions and short answer questions. I will upload the video for long answer questions soon. So stay home, stay safe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for get updates for coming videos. Thank you.